Here we are, Van Wert Carts and More, 883 North Washington Street here in Van Wert, Ohio. 419-238-2732. Looking at a very good looking 2015 Yamaha Drive EFI fuel injected. It's the silver with the red and gray Ohio State themed, and it does have the 14-inch HD STI alloy wheels with a 23 by 10 by 14 slasher all-terrain tire. Do a quick walk around here. We do have the LED headlights. It's going to have a windshield, 5-panel mirror on it as well, turn signals, 4-way flashers, horn, as you can hear right here. Swing on over to this side over here. It does have the fuel injected gas engine in it here. Brand new battery. On back to the back here, we have the black rear seat. Fold it down. Now we have the cargo area. Good looking cart. Again, 2015 Yamaha Drive fuel injected Ohio State themed cart. We're here at Van Wert Carts and More at 883 North Washington Street. Give us a call, 419-238-2732. Stop on in, 883 North Washington Street. Thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing y'all.